Hey guys, welcome back. I am headed to Trader Joe's to stock up on groceries for the next 2 weeks. So I want to show you what the shopping situation is like around here as we all are trying to social isolate. Our biggest goal is trying to prevent the virus from spreading to the elderly population. We have to protect them at all costs. Now, this shopping plaza is normally packed, but they are patrolling the area to make sure that there are no crowds and nobody out here acting crazy. As you can see the police on the bikes here. I'm going to put on a face mask and some gloves, not only to protect myself, but my allergies are acting up right now and I don't want to sneeze on anyone. And they look at me like I done infected the whole building. For years, Trader Joe's has been one of my favorite grocery stores. For one, it's small and you can quickly go in and come right back out. Today, they had a line and they were practicing social distancing by having everybody stand 6 feet apart from each other. They were also limiting how many people went into the store. So as one person came out, one person could go in. You can see the guy there grabbing the cart. He is actually taking each and every cart and basket and wiping it down with a disinfectant wipe. He is also spraying it down with a disinfectant spray. There's a sanitation station right before you walk in the door. So they are giving everyone squirts of hand sanitizer. They will also give you gloves if you want them, and they will give you hand sanitizer when you're leaving. Now, this is me patiently waiting in line. I know I could be a little extra, but all of these precautionary measures are well worth it. And we finally made it in to shop. As you can see, everything is clean and well organized, and they have stocked up from that rush we had a few weeks ago. They are still out of the chicken that I normally buy, which is skinless, boneless chicken thighs. But they have stocked up on a lot of the other meats. I'm going to insert a picture here to show you exactly how it looked 2 weeks ago when everybody was panicking.
That's the one little top there. Be hating and calling the message, she trying to fight. Use the brain on your head for you lose.
Hey y'all, so they did have this in the frozen section. This is boneless, skinless chicken thigh. This is the only chicken thigh I can find in Trader Joe's. I normally don't get the frozen one, but we're going to try this out and see how it is. I also got some Perdue chicken strips. This comes from Kroger because I did stop by Kroger as well. And I did get my blueberries. I got blueberries, corn. I got some shrimp. Some sweet potato fries. I got some shrimp burgers. I'm going to try that out. I normally don't get that, but we'll see. And I got my ground turkey. And I also got this corn on the cob from Walmart. I got like this big bag of French green beans from Trader Joe's. And I got some Trader Joe's barbecue chicken. I tried this before and it's good. That was a barbecue chicken pizza, and this is a supreme pizza. I also got some apples, Granny Smith. My vanilla silk almond, got some filtered apple juice. I'm going to make a vegetable stew, so these are some of the ingredients for that. I have things just thrown in my refrigerator right now, so I can't show everything. I also like to keep some Activia yogurt on hand and some bags of lettuce. Now these cinnamon raisin Thomas bagels are the best. I did get these from Walmart. I bought a bag of lemons because I can run through some lemons. Y'all, I love Hawaiian rolls, but Walmart was out, so I bought these King Hawaiian hamburger buns. I'm going to see how they taste. I want to quickly show you one of the cereal containers that I use. Y'all, I always put my cereal in these containers. I normally eat the same cereal, which is Great Grains. This is by Post. I love them. They have 4.5. Hold up, let me see. This is a really good source for iron. I normally just like take some scissors and cut the top And I just take it out the bag because I don't need the bag anyway. And I just pour it in here. And then I put the top on it. And this one I got from IKEA. I don't think it was that expensive. It probably was about $3 at the most. They're really slim. There are a lot of them that's bigger than this. But this one, again, I had got 4 of these from IKEA. And they have like the slim top. They're pretty cool if you want something like cheap. They're not the best, but they're cheap. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and click like, and also click the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. You can continue watching by clicking on the videos above.